Don't let good food go bad. Keep it fresher longer by storing it well or freezing for later. And definitely try to save it from getting lost in the fridge.
Yeah, that should do it. Hey, I'm a bad apple, and I can cost you real money. Spoiled food like me costs each household over $1,600 a year on average.
Learn more about simple steps that can reduce spoilage and save you real money.